Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Draggy token. Now the Draggy token is a meme coin on the Ethereum blockchain based off a dragon from a Matt Furie comic book called The Night Riders. Now this is Matt Furie created Pepe, Landwolf, the Boysclub, Andy. Then Mind Viscosity, I believe, is another comic, but there's a whole bunch of them. But a popular one is Night Riders, and around the same time I upload this video, I'm going to be uploading a different meme coin based off the Night Riders called Molly, which is a mole. So check that video out as well. But this video is going to be specifically about this token, the Draggy token, the info on it, and how you can get it. And we're going to go over all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can actually find this token all over the place. You can find it on Etherscan, but you can find it on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, DEX Tools, DEX Screener. Token price today is about 7.1 cents per token. Now, there's lots of meme coins ending in Y that are trending right now on DEX Screener, like Hoppy. I did do a video on Hoppy, so check that out. That's another frog-based meme coin. There's another one called Flappy, and then there is a Draggy. So all sorts of different popular tokens today, kind of with similar names based off characters. This token has a $7.48 million market cap. So needless to say, very popular project. Now their Twitter here is at Draggy CTO, and that leads me to believe right away that there was a community takeover on this token. And if you don't know what a community takeover is, basically tokens out there that have a dev that sells their tokens. It's different from a rug. A rug is when they just remove like all of the liquidity from the liquidity pool. But sometimes there'll be a dev wallet. Maybe they hold 5% or 10% of the supply. They hold a decent amount of tokens. The price will go way up, and then the dev will sell their tokens, and then that'll kind of like cause a big dip, kind of like a pump and dump. But then the community really likes the token, and they buy that dip back up, and then it just kind of just goes up, and then the dev's gone out of the picture, and then the community takes over the token, and that happens all the time. Especially in the meme coin space. And so this, you could tell right away just by the name of this Twitter here, at Draggy CTO, that that's most likely what happened. So their Twitter just joined June 2024, 3,411 followers. It says Draggy, the protector of Hoppy and the Night Riders. And then it has a link to their Telegram right there. So, and their webpage. So the Telegram's there, the Twitter's on the Twitter, and the webpage is there. So all the links basically are there, including in their pinned tweet. They have the charts. It'll take you to DEX Screener, and the contract address is right there as well. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or Coinbase wallet with ETH, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using the contract address you could find in their pinned tweet there or their webpage, you would trade your ETH for the Draggy token using that contract address. Most of these meme coins have no taxes, but we'll check that in a second. It's trending number 9 on DEX Tools right now. They have $391,950 in liquidity in Uniswap. 3,090 holders. They have 63.43 pooled ETH in Uniswap, which is equivalent to 10.9 trillion pooled Draggy tokens. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $2.42 million. Total supply of this token is 420.69 trillion tokens, and that is also their circulating supply. They have a DEX score of 99 out of 99, and they have a community trust score of 94.7% out of 133 votes. Now, their Telegram at Draggy Official CTO has 1,113 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's a great place to see updates regarding this project if you want to learn more. And on their webpage, it looks like they're listed on a bunch of kind of like tier 3, tier 4 central exchanges. It says they're available on Latican, CedoX, Vindex, Kroomsbit, Grovex, and 2Bit. So, I mean, I don't have accounts on any of those, but, maybe some people do. Kind of like, I'd say tier 4 central exchanges there, but no knock on them if you use those exchanges. So they have a buy now button on their webpage. It says, Draggy, a chill and friendly dragon, a creature from Knight Rider's adventures with his friends under the moon. They journey to magical lands, spreading joy and showing the beauty of nighttime adventures. Draggy symbolizes friendship and acceptance. No taxes, liquidity burned. Draggy is a community takeover token, no dev, contract is Seifu. Shows you step by step how to buy using a MetaMask wallet and Uniswap on their webpage, in case you didn't understand how I explained it earlier. It says contact@draggy.co is the email if you need to reach out to anybody. Now, they have a token sniffer score 100 out of 100. It says there's whitelisting on Go Plus Security, but then it says there's no whitelisting on Quick Intel Security. So sometimes there's conflicts like that in the audits, but just be aware, it does say that. On Dex Screener, though, it does say 100% of their total liquidity is locked and burned, and that's over $400,000 worth of liquidity. So that's great to see. This token came out 2 months, 16 days ago, so it's not like a new token at all. And it says community claimed ownership of this token June 19th, and it has all the information about the community takeover on Dex Screener. So check that out if you're interested, and let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.